Today we have a shave to go, and we'll also take a look at the newest release, Bastardo from WestMan Shaving. Well, you can see from the regular set, I'm not at home, so I'm traveling with my wife. So I took my gear out and I'm shaving here at a hotel. And what I like to do when I'm away, I like to carry my brush in like this container. It helps. You can use like the toilet paper tub also if you don't have anything like this. And I protect my razor with this sleeve. I think it's quite useful and protects your razor, your head, and you don't have any issues on your dock kit or anything like that. So today I'm going to be using the Merkur 37C, which is the slant razor, alongside with the Astra green, the SP. This is the India made one, and this the first time I'm going to use this blade, and also the India made version. Now they're transferred the factory from Procter & Gamble from Russia, St. Petersburg to India. So this will be my first shave, and we'll take a look at WestMan newest release. This one, I really like the labels from WestMan. They're putting, like Jago's putting a really good work on it. And this is supposed to be, well, this is Bay Rum fragrance. However, Tiago, in my opinion, he took it to the next level. He added some stuff to the scent. I personally don't like this Bay Rum vibe, those spices and the bay leaf. I think it's, I don't know, it's not a scent that I like to put on my face. But this one is much more elegant. So what he did, he combined some sweeter fragrances to that, some oranges, some vanilla, and in my opinion, the bay and the spices, they're not like super powerful, which I think, in my opinion, was a good choice. So very nice. This one is the Nirvana formula, this base, which I haven't used. So looking forward to trying it. And very nice scent, very nice indeed. And also the matching splash, which is non-alcohol based, but still a splash. It's witch hazel based. And to finish off, I'm gonna put some balm on my beard from Barba. It's a Brazilian brand. So that's gonna be today's shave. And well, let me show the brush out of the tub here. This is also WestMan shave brush. And this is, I think it's a 24mm synthetic, and goes really nice with the colors of the soap, of the art here from the artwork of the soap. So it's gonna be today's shave. Excited about it, and so let's go for it. So that was today's shave. Let's recap. We went with a set WestMan shaving Bastardo, Bay Rum inspired. The brush was also a WestMan synthetic. We went to Merkur 37C slant razor with the fresh Astra SP made in India on it. Finished off also on my beard with the Barba beard balm, and I was showing a couple of things. That was the leather sleeve from Fosco Lab, which is really cool for carrying your stuff when you're on the go. So this has been a great shave, really absolutely amazing shave. This Nirvana base is the first time that I've used, and I really liked it. I think I loaded too much the brush, I must say. The brush to me is relatively big, so when you have a big brush you tend to load more, but you also need more product to build the leather. And as I kept adding water, it just exploded all around the bathroom here. Easy to lather though, and absolutely creamy, protective, dense leather, and yeah, very well, slippery, gliding properties. And also the splash, which does not contain alcohol, it's witch hazel based, with of course much more here. Great protection and skin pulse shave, hydration protection and all that. So really good. And also I really like the Slant razors. It was effortless. Even on my first pass, you've seen how long my beard was, and it just cut it just like a knife in a butter. And yeah, effortlessly. I would strongly recommend checking out a slant razor if you have like sensitive skin or very coarse beard. That will help. It cuts the hair really easily. And yeah, about the scent, I really think that Thiago did a great job. I personally don't like much the Bay Rum scent. I think it's too strong. The bay leaf. It's too spicy, too punchy, strong. And not like a scent I like to wear on my face, I'll keep smelling it. But with these orange, with this vanilla touch, and to me, this scent is not super strong. So it's in there, but it's not like a very overpowering scent. So in my opinion, he did really good job. I like this version way better than like other classics, pure Bay Rum type of soaps. So really well done. The Nirvana base, exploded the leather, so really good. I tend to prefer a smaller knot brush, but that's just a preference, and I do like the contours, my neck. But yeah, even still, really good brush, good bristles, synthetic. There's some backbone, but also the tips are really soft. Finished off with my beard balm, which is really good. Moisturizing your beard is also important. Any type of facial hair, if you wear like you have a mustache, goatee, you have to apply some stuff on it. So really good shave. I hope that I've enjoyed it. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. Future videos, questions, suggestions for here to bring on our channel. Let me know below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.